30 days. That's how long it took me to go from avoiding mirrors to running every day. From a man my kids call Dad Bod to someone they watch work out every single day before I come home. And the secret wasn't motivation. It wasn't willpower. It was a 5-step system that rewired my identity. Let me show you. Here's my most disciplined advice to you. It focuses on what you should do. Wake up at 5 a.m. Do 100 push-ups. Run 5 miles. But nobody tells you how to become the type of person who actually wants to do those things. Motivation fades. Willpower runs out. But identity is permanent. When exercise becomes a part of who you are, you don't need motivation anymore. You just do it. Because it's not necessarily what you do, it's who you are. So this isn't about forcing yourself to work out for 30 days. This is about becoming someone who exercises. There's a massive difference. And that's what the 5D system does. Let me show you. The first D is decide. But you're not going to decide what to do. You're going to decide who to become. This is where most people get it wrong. 30 days ago, I'd pull out a shirt out of my closet and think, this must have shrunk. Every single shirt, yeah, apparently they all shrunk. And then I'd stand there holding my stomach in just the button, sucking it all in, hoping it would stay that way. And my kids, they'd laugh. Dad, you got that dad bod. Like it was a joke, but it wasn't funny to me. Because I knew they were right. And then I saw myself in the mirror one day. Like really saw myself. Stopped holding it in. A man carrying a shape of a basketball in the midsection. I looked at myself and said, something has got to change. But here's what I didn't do. I didn't say, I want to lose weight. Or, I need to exercise more. Those are outcomes. Those are actions. Instead, I decided on an identity. I said, I'm someone who takes care of their body. I'm someone who shows up for themselves. I'm someone who exercises. Present tense. Not I will be or I want to be. I am. Because here's the truth. Your actions will follow your identity. If you see yourself as someone who exercises, you'll find a way to exercise. If you see yourself as someone trying to exercise, you'll find excuses. So step 1, decide who you're going to be. Write it down. Say it out loud. I'm someone who, fill in the blank. Make it your identity, not your goal, your identity. The second D is defy. Defy that voice that says, not today. Because that voice, it's loud. And it's convincing. So day 1, I'm getting ready to go to the gym. And immediately the voice starts. You're too tired to work out. This is going to hurt. You're not ready. Start Monday. So here's what I did. I didn't try to silence the voice. I replaced it. I said, it's going to hurt worse if I don't. And that became my mantra. I got to the gym anyway. And I saw this older guy. He could barely walk. He's shuffling. He's struggling with every step. And I thought to myself, I don't want to be like that when I get old. And that image stuck with me. Because the real pain, not the discomfort of a workout, it's the pain of regret. The pain of a body that can't do what you need it to do. And that's the hurt I was avoiding. So, I defied the voice. I went anyway. Even when I was tired. Even when I didn't feel like it. Because just getting there, that is the whole battle. And once I was there, once I started, the resistance disappeared. My body took over. The voice got quiet. So, step 2, defy the voice. Replace this is going to hurt with it's going to hurt worse if I don't. Think about the future you and just show up. The rest takes care of itself. Which leads us to the third step. The third D is design. You have to design your environment and your approach to make success inevitable. Because willpower is limited, but systems are unlimited. First, I removed friction. Bought some workout clothes, got proper running shoes, bought a gym bag, and every night before bed, I packed everything in it and put it by the door. No decisions needed in the morning, no excuses. But here's the key. I didn't try to run fast on day one. A lot of people just try to go, and think they're gonna smash it and crush it, but that's not what you need to do. It's not sustainable. So day one, I designed a progressive system to start low, slow, comfortable. I wasn't trying to chase the performance. Then in week 2, I walked a little faster. It was still comfortable, still sustainable. Week 3, I worked into a slow jog. I wasn't sprinting. I wasn't pushing real hard, just moving at a pace I could maintain. And then I made it enjoyable. I found music that really got me motivated. I focused on how good it felt to move, not how hard it was. I designed the experience to be something I wanted to do, not something I had to force myself to do. By week 4, I was running, really running, because I had built up to it. I didn't start with a pace I couldn't keep. I designed a system that made progress inevitable. So step 3, design your environment. Remove friction, pack your bag the night before, lay out your clothes, and design a progressive system. Start slow, build up, make it sustainable, make it enjoyable. Now to the 4th D. The 4th D is do. Consistent, not perfect. Because this is where most people quit. And I almost did. I missed a day, just one, and immediately the voice came back. Well, you didn't make it. You'll just have to start over next week. You failed. And I could feel it, that pull to give up, to say, I'll start fresh Monday. But here's what I did instead. I went the next day. I didn't wait for Monday. I didn't restart. I just continued. Because never miss twice. 1 miss is life. Things come up. But 2 misses, it's a pattern. So never miss twice. And then, oh man, I got shin splints. I mean, this was real pain. The kind that makes you want to quit. And I almost did there as well. But eventually it went away. I did what I could. I couldn't run. I walked. I couldn't walk fast. I actually walked slow. But I did show up, even when it hurt. And that's when I trained my mind to be my biggest ally. Because my body wanted to quit. The pain was real. But I started talking to myself while I was running. I reminded myself, you made it through yesterday when you felt the same way. You can do it again. I focused on how great I felt when it was over. That post-workout high, that pride that, man, you did it, you rocked it, you crushed it. Those are the things that I started saying to myself. And I reminded myself of the identity I was building. This is who I am now. I'm someone who shows up. I'm someone who pushes through. I focused on the positive identity, not the pain. Because here's the truth. Your mind will quit before your body does. But if you train your mind to be your ally, if you talk to yourself like you talk to someone you're coaching, you'll push through anything. So step 4, do. Show up consistently, not perfectly, never miss twice. And lower the bar on bad days, but never skip. And train your mind to be your biggest supporter. Talk to yourself. Remind yourself why you started. Focus on the identity you're building. The 5th D is And this is the secret that nobody talks about. Discipline isn't about punishing yourself. It's about rewarding yourself for showing up. Every week, I did a weekly review. I counted my wins, not my misses, my wins. How many days did I show up? What did I do right this week? And what really changed everything for me? I started writing to myself. Not just tracking my check marks, actually writing encouragement to myself. After every single workout, I'd grab my phone and I'd write one sentence. Just one. Things like, you showed up today even though you were tired. I'm proud of you. Or, man, yesterday you became the person you said you'd be. Or I would say things like, you rocked it today. Not only did you show up, but you went a little faster today. You did one more rep. And on the hard days, I'd write sometimes before the workout. I know you don't feel like it right now, but the version of you 30 minutes from now, you will thank you. Do it for him. Because here's what I learned. Your brain needs positive reinforcement. If discipline only feels like a sacrifice, you'll quit. But when you deposit encouragement back into yourself, when you become your own biggest supporter, you'll crave the habit. By day 20, I had lots of encouraging statements I could read back to myself. And on days when I wanted to quit, I'd read them. I'd see proof that I'd overcome the resistance before, that I was capable, that I was already becoming disciplined. So here's what you need to do. After you complete your habit, write one sentence, one encouragement to yourself. Make it specific. Make it personal. Make it feel good. One of mine, I am unstoppable. I mean, just saying that makes me feel good. And then create a weekly review ritual. Every Sunday maybe. Count your wins. Read your encouragement. Celebrate progress, not perfection. And change your self-talk. Stop saying, I have to exercise. Start saying, I get to exercise. Stop saying, I'm trying to be disciplined. Start saying, I am disciplined. Because the words you use shape your identity. And your identity shapes your actions. That's step 5. Deposit encouragement back into yourself. Become your own biggest fan. So that's the 5D discipline system. Decide who you're going to be. Defy the voice that says, not today. Design your environment and progressive system. Make it enjoyable. Then do it. Do it consistently. Not perfectly, but do it consistently. And deposit encouragement back into yourself. 30 days ago, I really didn't want to look at myself. My kids referred to me as the one with the dad bod. Today, I go to the gym. I exercise. I show up. I'm building the body and mind I want for the rest of my life. And the crazy part, exercise is just the beginning. This system works for anything. Writing, building a business, learning a skill, creating content, whatever discipline you want to build. These 5 Ds will get you there. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one habit, just one. Apply the 5D system for 30 days. And drop a comment below telling me what habit you're choosing and why. I'll be reading every single one of them. And if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. Because I'm documenting this entire journey. The wins, the struggles, the systems that work, and I want you along for the ride. Remember, you're not trying to become disciplined. You already are disciplined. You just need to prove it to yourself. One day at a time. Let's go.